Good morning. Welcome to Java programming tutorials. Today's class is abstract class. Abstract class is like any other class in Java, but it has at least one abstract method. Abstract method. Abstract method is a method without body. For example, this is a method without body. Okay, it will become abstract by using a keyword abstract. Right? Next. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. In other words, one cannot create object of abstract class. Like a manager will not do any work on his own. Okay? The attributes, the methods of abstract class are implemented through its child. Okay? And child must provide implementation details of abstract class, abstract method. Else it cannot be created. Okay? So I take an example of an abstract class, sorry, manager, with two attributes, branch name and IFSC code. Okay, and two methods. One is simple, which is non-abstract. Second is compound, which is abstract. Abstract method is a method without body. Okay. Now, child class is a clerk. Now, clerk object can be created provided clerk class has implementation details of abstract method compound. Otherwise, you cannot create You cannot create clerk object. In other words, clerk has a service contract, with manager. Okay, so he must implement or find out compound interest. Okay, else he or she will not exist. This is the advantage of abstract method. Let us create one using online compiler. Say abstract method. We can create abstract class by using keyword abstract. Manager is an abstract class. Okay. Now, I would like to show you the first point I mentioned. Abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword, which I did. Second point, it can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Third point, it cannot be instantiated. Let us see. Let us try to create a manager. Let us try to create a manager. Okay. What happens? Cannot be instantiated, right? No. Let us have one constructor here. I will implement my ideas through my subclass. Say clerk. Okay. Now, let us create clerk. Clerk is any class, but inherited from for simplicity CLERK. Okay. Inherited from manager. Okay. Let us create an object of clerk. Right? This is constructor of manager, and this must be in print statement. System.out.println. Okay. Class clerk extends, not extends. Okay. Is this clear? So you can implement your ideas through your subclass. I hope you understand it. Okay. Now, let us have two variables. One is branch. Second one is IFSC. Okay, let us take them from outside. Branch and IFSC. Branch is a string. IFSC is also a string. Let us initialize them. This dot branch is equal to branch. This dot IFSC is equal to IFSC. Okay. Now this is constructor of abstract class. Constructors can be present in abstract class. Okay. Next, let us create a non-abstract method by name simple, which takes three parameters: principal amount, number of years, and a rate of interest. Returns double. Okay. Now, this is a public method. It returns principal amount plus interest. What is interest? P into N into R by 100 is interest. Okay. Next, it has an abstract method, a method without a body. That is double. Takes same three parameters, but manager doesn't know how to do it. So he expects his assistant clerk or subclass to implement it. Okay. Now create an object of clerk. Say C1 with IFSC and branch as parameters. Okay. Yes. I'm sorry. Clerk and constructor. In constructor, we take two variables because both of them are already defined. Let us use super keyword to use the constructor of its parent or superclass. Please watch my video on superclass to understand it. Okay. Hope you understand it. Next, you can directly use non-static method. That is simple. To use static method, the subclass must provide implementation. And let us check, can subclass exist without implementing abstract method? No. Okay, it cannot. So let us implement this by clerk. Okay. What is that? Return P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. Now put everything in power function. Right? Is this clear? Now, R clerk. First we'll type the branch name. branch name is branch, right? Next, branch IFSC. Branch IFSC. Okay, let us have some explanation also for what we printed. This is branch. And this is IFSC. Okay. Next. Next one is simple interest. Description for this is amount to be paid by simple interest. The method is simple. P is 1 lakh, N is 10, interest rate is say 12.3. Okay, is this clear? Now, this is non-abstract method. Second one is abstract method. We call compound this time. Okay, by compound interest method. Let us implement everything and see. I think here we missed name of method. Okay. Here also, because it's a copy paste. This should be capital C. Abstract method cannot have a body. This is not abstract here. Abstract in abstract class. Copy paste ka problem. We did not give branch name. Say Kottapet is branch name. IFSC is C SBIN 0000123. Okay. So I will implement my ideas through my subclass. The branch is Kottapet. IFSC is this. Amount to be paid by simple interest is that much. Okay. If you want to remove, because it is in rupees, if you want to remove, then use round method. Right? So here itself you can apply a round method. Math dot round. Okay. So here also you can apply that. Math dot round. Okay. Hope you understand it. So you see them in rounded values. If you observe, abstract class has parameters, has constructor, has non-abstract method and abstract method, and it is implemented by its child. Okay, our child has constructor which is built on abstract class constructor, and here we implemented the abstract method. And one more thing, there is a chance that non-abstract method of abstract class can be tampered by the clerk to favor the client. Okay, this is clear. So he is not charging anything. So only principal amount is charged. The manager thinks that the clerk is doing well, but clerk can override the manager method. To avoid this to happen, you can make non-abstract method final. Okay. In this case, clerk cannot do anything because the final method cannot be overridden. Okay. Is this clear? So abstract method can have final method also. Right? So I hope you understand it. No. It can be static also. Okay. What are the properties? It can have final methods. It can have constructors, static methods, cannot be instantiated. Abstract and non-abstract methods must be declared with keyword abstract. So I think all the points are demonstrated here. Abstract class, which cannot be instantiated, can be implemented through subclass. Subclass extends abstract class. Okay, you can use constructor of superclass here. Next, abstract method is implemented by the clerk. If clerk does not implement it, then clerk will cease to exist. Okay, is this clear? So it must be implemented here. So I hope you understand it. I can make the code available through a link in description. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and please share with your friends. Thank you very much.